I'm Nate. I usually don't do this, but this is my thanks to Pop on Veneers. Look at, my teeth were pretty disgusting before I got my Pop on Veneers. Check this out. This is how awesome they are. I love them. They just come out like this. Just like that. Like that. Brand new smile. Awesome. Thank you, Pop on Veneers. They're the best. Totally smile all the time now. Got my confidence back. Thank you. On top of it, the process was so simple. They sent the impressions within 2 days. I did the whole biting thing, sent them back. Within 2 weeks, I got my Pop on Veneers, popped them in, fit perfect. Customer service is amazing. I couldn't ask for anything better because I couldn't afford dentures and I couldn't afford implants. So this is the best thing I could have done. I got a great smile. Thank you so much, Pop on Veneers. I mean, look at that. That is awesome. Fits perfect. Thank you.